बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप सब? होप सो आप सब लोग ठीक ठाक होंगे, खैर आफियत से होंगे। आप लोग देख रहे हैं स्टेट टाइम यूट्यूब चैनल। आज के इस लेक्चर में आप लोगों के साथ केमिस्ट्री के चैप्टर नंबर 3 के शॉर्ट आंसर शेयर करूँगी फर्स्ट ईयर के। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं अपने टॉपिक को, लेकिन उससे पहले अगर आप लोगों ने मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें और बेल आइकन पर क्लिक कर दें। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है द प्लॉट PV versus P is a straight line at constant temperature and with a fixed number of moles of an ideal gas. When we plot a graph between PV on y-axis and pressure PATM on x-axis, a straight line parallel to pressure axis is obtained for an ideal gas. This straight line indicates that PV is a constant quantity at all pressures. At higher constant temperature, the volume increases and the value of product PV should increase. Due to increase of volume at this new temperature, this type of straight line will help us to understand the non-ideal behavior of gases. Question number 2 है the straight line in above question is parallel to pressure axis and goes away from the pressure axis at high pressure for many gases. आंसर है at high temperature due to repulsion between electronic cloud of gas molecule the volume is not decreased up to expected level. That is why product of PV raises and the PV line goes away from pressure axis at high pressure but remain parallel to pressure axis. Question number 3 है what is the significance of constant A and B in van der Waals gas equation? In van der Waals equation, A is called coefficient of attraction. It has a constant value for a particular real gas. The value of A depends upon intermolecular attraction and the size of molecule. H2 equal to 0.245 atm. Similarly, constant B is excluded or incompressible volume mole of gas. The value of B depends upon the size of molecule. Question number 4 है pressure of ammonia gas at given condition say 20 atm pressure and room temperature is less as calculated by van der Waals equation than that calculated by general gas equation. Pressure calculated by ideal gas equation is greater than the pressure calculated by van der Waals equation because ammonia is a polar molecule and when at high temperature high pressure molecule come close to each other they have strong intermolecular forces in them. Due to this reason the pressure exerted by the gas molecule is decreased and become less as calculated by general gas equation. Water vapors don't behave ideally at 273 Kelvin. Water vapors behave ideally at 0 degree Celsius or 273 Kelvin because this temperature is below the critical temperature of water vapor, so they have sufficient attractive forces among them. So greater is the deviation of water from KMT and gas laws, and these are in fact responsible for non-ideal behavior. सो डियर स्टूडेंट, यही थे चैप्टर नंबर 3 के शॉर्ट आंसर्स। होप सो आप लोगों को समझ आ गई होगी। अपना ख्याल रखिएगा, दुआ में याद रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।